Choosing the right print-on-demand service is crucial for entrepreneurs who create and sell custom products. It significantly impacts how they manage their businesses and fulfill customer expectations. Today, we are diving deep into two of the most popular print-on-demand platforms, Printify and Teespring. Let's compare their services to see which one might be the best fit for your growing business. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Printify, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Understanding Printify. Printify was founded in 2015 and has quickly grown into a robust platform that supports businesses in creating a wide range of unique branded products. With Printify, you have access to over 800 product options, from everyday items like phone cases and apparel, to more unique choices that can set your brand apart. What makes Printify particularly appealing is its vast network of over 110 printing locations worldwide, which not only helps in reducing shipping times but also supports local economies. Moreover, Printify is designed to seamlessly integrate with your e-commerce platforms. It provides a variety of user-friendly design tools that can help even those with minimal technical skills to create products they are proud of. If you are environmentally conscious, you will appreciate Printify's options for sustainable, eco-friendly printing, a feature that is increasingly important to both creators and consumers today. Exploring Teespring. On the other hand, Teespring, founded in 2011, offers a somewhat more streamlined service, but is no less powerful. It allows creators to design and sell over 50 different types of products directly through their e-commerce sites or marketplaces. This platform is particularly noted for its array of built-in tools, such as mockup generators and comprehensive order fulfillment services that streamline the selling process. Teespring also excels in marketing support with its boosted network that helps in promoting your products. Additionally, its customer service is top-notch, providing creators with the support they need to handle their design and sales processes efficiently. Ease of use comparison. Both Printify and Teespring provide platforms that are incredibly user-friendly, catering well to both newcomers and seasoned merchants. With Printify, navigating through a large selection of products is straightforward, allowing you to quickly find and customize items to match your brand. Their advanced mockup generator simplifies the design process, enabling you to see how your products will look before they go to the market. Additionally, Printify integrates smoothly with major e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and others, making the management of your online store seamless. On the other hand, Teespring focuses on making the design phase as easy as possible. While it offers fewer products than Printify, the quality of customization and the ability to add unique text, images, and artwork ensure that each product distinctly reflects your brand. Pricing structures. Printify and Teespring both offer pricing structures that are accessible to entrepreneurs at various stages of business development. Printify provides a free plan that allows you to sell products on up to 5 different stores, with no limit on the number of designs you can create. As your business expands, upgrading to Printify's premium plan for $29 per month is an option, offering benefits like connections for up to 10 stores and discounts of up to 20% on products, which can greatly enhance your profit margins. In contrast, Teespring remains completely free to use, without any subscription fees, although it doesn't offer different pricing tiers. The cost of producing items on Teespring will vary depending on the base price of the items and extent of customization. Entrepreneurs must carefully assess both the base cost and additional fees, such as shipping, to effectively set profitable pricing strategies for their products. Fulfillment and shipping. Shipping and fulfillment are key to the success of any print-on-demand business. Printify excels in this area by partnering with well-known carriers such as DHL, FedEx, and Royal Mail. They provide a clear guide that details shipping rates and times for various locations around the world. This allows business owners to plan their shipping costs effectively and set realistic delivery expectations for their customers. Similarly, Teespring manages its shipping with variable costs depending on the destination and the product type. For example, shipping a standard t-shirt within the United States costs approximately $3.99, whereas shipping to Australia might cost as much as $15.99. Both services offer faster shipping options, which are perfect for customers who are willing to pay a bit more for quicker delivery. This flexibility ensures that business owners can cater to a wide range of customer needs and preferences. Integration capabilities. The ability to integrate with other software and platforms is crucial for streamlining operations in any POD business. Printify particularly stands out in this area with its strong integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. Additionally, Printify offers a custom API which is ideal for businesses that require a more customized integration solution to suit their specific needs. On the other hand, Teespring, while offering fewer integrations, provides strong connections with major social media and content platforms like the YouTube merch shelf and Twitch. This is particularly beneficial for content creators who heavily engage with their audiences on these platforms, allowing them to easily merchandise their brands. These integrations help simplify the selling process, making it easier for creators to focus on their content while also monetizing their audience effectively. Both platforms recognize the importance of seamless integration to facilitate smooth business operations and enhance the user experiences. Customer support. Both Printify and Teespring understand the importance of robust customer support. Printify offers a detailed help center and multiple communication channels, including chat, email, and social media, ensuring you can always find help when needed. Teespring's customer support is equally competent, providing quick responses to queries and a comprehensive range of guides and FAQs to help you navigate any issues. Product designs and quality. Quality is crucial, and both Printify and Teespring offer excellent products. Printify provides a broader range of customizable items and a quality promise that ensures high standards are met across its network. They continuously audit their print providers by ordering samples and checking their quality, which ensures consistent product quality. Teespring also guarantees high-quality products with options for screen printing and direct-to-garment printing. They support merchants with a dedicated quality assurance program, allowing you to order samples to ensure the product meets your standards before going to market. In conclusion, while both Printify and Teespring offer compelling features for entrepreneurs in the print-on-demand industry, Printify stands out with its broader range of products and superior integration capabilities. Its ability to connect with multiple e-commerce platforms make it particularly suitable for businesses looking to scale efficiently. Additionally, Printify's commitment to quality and its eco-friendly options provide a valuable selling point in today's market. For entrepreneurs seeking a robust, versatile platform that can grow with their business, Printify is the clear choice. Begin your journey with Printify today and take your custom product business to new heights. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Printify, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.